Hello WordPress users, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you guys how to back up your WordPress sites automatically. I want to introduce you to a free plugin called Updraft Plus WordPress backup plugin. It has over 1 million installs, almost a 5-star rating, and with this plugin you can back up your files and database offsite, and you can even restore it right here with a single click. And you can do offsite backups to Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon, and these other places here, and I will provide the link to this plugin. Or you can go to your WP admin and then do a plugin, add new, and then search for backup. And here you can see that Updraft Plus plugin here. You can install now. Once it's installed, you can click on activate, and once you're activated, you'll be presented with a welcome pop-up here, and then you can click here to start. And right away you can do a first backup by clicking on this button here, or you can go to the settings, which is you can click here or here to visit the settings. So let's go to the settings to schedule the backups automatically. Now your backup schedules really depends on if you do multiple postings every day, then you may want to do a daily backup, or you can do weekly backups if you rarely post to your sites. And here you can maintain how many backups you want. So for me, I'm going to do weekly, and same goes for the database. And then down here you can choose the offsite backup location, or you can call it the remote storage. And the remote storage is optional, so if you choose to not use the remote storage, the backup remains on your web server. The negative side to this is that if your server gets hacked, or your hosting companies go down or gets shut down for some reason, and you lose all your files on your server, so it's better to have it with a remote location. And it's free. So Dropbox is free, Google Drive is free, and you can even do FTP to another server. So for me, I'm going to choose Google Drive. Google Drive gives you about 15 gigabytes in free storage, and that's a good option for I think most people out there. So let's go down to Google Drive here. So now you can select what you want to back up. So as default, pretty much everything is checked, which you should back up everything anyways, so go ahead and I will leave everything checked. And then you can get notification emails if you want. And then here we have expert settings, and pretty much you don't need to bother with these. So I'm just going to leave everything as default and click on save changes. And now this pop-up, so it's getting cut off over here. Let me try to collapse my menu. Okay, there it is. And so now you have to authorize your access to Google Drive. So click here so clicking on that authorized link, you need to log into your Google Drive account, and then just click on the confirmation button, and then you will be taken to this page here to confirm and complete your setup. So let's complete the setup. And now we have our first scheduled backup. Today's December 14, and it's going to back up my files and my database. Okay, and that's how easy it is. And here it is. Look at this. It's actually creating my backup of my database right now live, so that's pretty cool. So I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to check back to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy blogging.